In front of me is UMIDIGI F1, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach Settings, then find and select System and go to Languages and Input. Here you will notice Languages, so smoothly mark it, and then tap on Add a Language. Pick some language from the following list, the one that you would like to apply, then go with the region. Slide it up to the first place to make it a default language. And from now on, as you can see, it is active. So here you've got the new language setup. And whenever you would like to remove it and set your device up with another language or go back to English, just enter languages again, tap on more icon, select remove, and mark the language that you want to get rid of. In my case, it will be first one, tap on bin icon then, and select accept. And that's it. Now, once you want to add another language, just perform the same operation. Tap on add a language and go with the flow. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.